Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have this dumbbell rack. Got it off Walmart for 20 bucks. It went on sale. Shout out to Home Gyms on Facebook that told me. So let's get to it. Oh, all right. So yeah, there you go. It's a 3-tier dumbbell rack by Balance Form? Sure. Whatever. It's a lot of pieces. Got some L brackets. Be alert. Alright. Fitviz.com. A lot of bolts. Even come like a little wrench. 14, 17 combination. Let's put this up. Comes with nice little instructions. 1,000-pound capacity. Pretty cool. Get everything out the plastic and we get back. Now I've got everything at the package. Everything seems pretty good quality. Pretty nice thickness of steel. I'm happy with that. Got some nice weight to it. Nice finishing on it. Let's see if these structures any good. Figure out how to put it together. This is like an exercise guide. Oh, here we go. Here goes some instructions. Warranties. Alright, let's get that. Alright, cool. No real instructions. So, it's the best we got. That's it. And then got some exercise guidelines, which who cares? Alright, we got this and this. We're gonna put it together based on pictures. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna start with legs first. Okay, I see. Okay, I can see. Okay. Yeah, let's start the legs first. So it took me a while to figure out how to actually put this thing together. So I looked up a video online, thanks to YouTube, also YouTube, and the middle longest bolts. That's what this actually goes to. Both of these are there. These are like the middle shortest bolt. No, yeah, middle shortest. So for the uprights, it's this one. And then for the other one, I gotta figure it out myself. So, but definitely middle number 2 bolts for the uprights. I can move to number 1 bolt, which is the longest bolt for the stands on each one. So. It does get a little rocky. No ace up. Stay. those 3 are on. That's how I do the other side. I got all those all hand tight, hand loose. I gotta figure out how to put this upright together. Stay, let's see, lean that way. Go there. I just get a bolt first. Yep. Okay, we're a little stable. Alright. They go on the inside. So let's try this again. Yeah, I meant to mention, this is the last bolt, the shortest bolt. I can bring the other side. And then this will go this way. Something like that. And the same thing for the next 2 rows. Now they actually look like a dumbbell rack. Now I just gotta tighten all the bolts up and it should be ready. Alright, now we started. Now I work with something. Went through and tightened all the bolts up. This thing is like rock solid now. I was really worried a little bit. I'm like, I got everything together and it's still pretty loose. But once I tighten up these, everything's rock solid. Now it's time to put it in the basement and show what we got. So here's our current dumbbell rack. Very tiny. And now with the new dumbbell rack in comparison. I think it needs more weights. Like, that's actually pretty big. I did not expect it to be that big. That's what she said. So, let's get these weights transferred. This will tell you don't even fit. That's really funny, actually. Those fit nice. Maybe needs more dumbbells. Looks so scrawny without anything on it. So this is the final product. I'll put the 50s at the bottom just so it'll be easier for Anna to get off the rack. And I'm pretty happy with this.